Ahead of its August 5th annual general meeting, Vertical Aerospace expanded its strategic partnership with Bristow Group to bring advanced air mobility to commercial operations. The partnership aims to accelerate the commercial adoption of Vertical's EVTL aircraft, the VX4. The companies will develop a scalable, capital-light EVTL operations platform designed to reduce barriers to adopting these aircraft by providing customers with fully integrated solutions to launch services without building operational infrastructure from scratch. The ready-to-fly model includes access to certified aircraft, trained pilots, maintenance, and insurance, allowing VX4 customers to focus on customer experience, sales, and network integration, while Vertical and Bristow manage aircraft operations on their behalf. Bristow has also placed a pre-order for up to 50 VX4, with the option to purchase up to 50 more, reflecting its confidence in the potential of Vertical's VX4 aircraft. The partnership will leverage Bristow's global operational footprint, including multiple Air Operator Certificates, AOCs, and Bristow's global MRO network approvals, to offer fully managed operations for Vertical's current and future customers. Target customers include airlines, logistics operators, and rescue services, sectors where Bristow has over 7 decades of mission-critical experience across the world. As part of the strategic partnership, the companies will harmonize their respective safety management systems and utilize the VX4's cloud-connected architecture to deliver predictive maintenance, enhanced reliability, and data-driven fleet insights. The companies are also exploring maintenance, repair, and overhaul MRO services, including battery swapping and field maintenance solutions. Chris Bradshaw, president and CEO of Bristow Group, expressed excitement about expanding the relationship with Vertical, highlighting Bristow's expertise in providing critical safety, operational, certification, and logistics support. Stuart Simpson, CEO of Vertical Aerospace, emphasized that the partnership will lower barriers to market entry and accelerate the adoption of EVTL services worldwide. The agreement is a key enabler of Vertical's Flight Path 2030 strategy, its roadmap to delivering scalable, certified, and commercially viable EVTOL operations globally. It also builds on Vertical's recent completion of the first-ever wing-borne flight of a winged EVTOL in European open airspace, a critical step toward certification and commercial launch that reflects growing regulatory confidence in the capabilities of the VX4. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.